How to delete Instagram posts permanently. Want to permanently delete a post from your Instagram profile? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete any Instagram post, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Step 3. Find the post you want to delete. Scroll through your feed and tap on the post that you want to delete permanently. Step 4. Tap the three dots. Now tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the post. Step 5. Select Delete. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Instagram will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete again to confirm. And that's it. Your Instagram post has now been deleted permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching.